So this is an example of our family adjusting suite. We see a couple family members waiting right here to be adjusted, and a couple of children patiently waiting, laying down on the table, ready to get adjusted. Okay, Autumn, I'm going to check your spine for subluxation.
I have that.
Take a look here at your hips and your sacroiliac joint. And we'll check your lumbar spine here. And there's a subluxation right here. Those muscles are tight. Your spine's not moving right. It's out of alignment there.
What?
Maybe that's from playing hockey, your body being bent to the side. Checking your cervical spine here. Right there. Okay. Right there. Okay. And Autumn, I'm going to have you lay on your side, turning right towards me, please. Autumn, this adjustment right here is going to improve the nerves going right to your shoulders and to your arms right in here, so you'll be nice and strong. There. Perfect. Okay, Autumn, your power's on. You are welcome. Okay, Andrew, let's check your spine for subluxation. Start with your hips. Checking your sacroiliac joints. Right there. Some of the traumas you've had recently, Andrew, led to some subluxation. Like when you fell out of the tree, and then at hockey. Okay. Let's improve your ability to run, jump, and skate. And lay on that side, please, Andrew. Turn right towards me. Have you lay right on your shoulder. Bring your arm here, buddy. No. Nerves to your muscles in your legs. And stay right there on your side, please. Right there. Power's on. You're welcome. Okay, Allison. You're holding together today. Okay. Did you have soccer today? Mm-hmm. Do you have any traumas while playing soccer today?
No.
No, okay. Right, improving the nerves going right to your lungs. Okay, Allison. Here we'll get this subluxation adjusted. There. Let's have you lay right on your back, please. Allison, this adjustment here for the nerves going right to your sinuses. Let that relax right there. Your power's on, Allison. Okay, Irene. some tension in this hip there. Get that worked out. Let's bring your head up, right, like so. Okay. And let me have you lay on your side, please, facing me. Lay on your back, please. Okay, your power's on, Amy.
Thank you.
You are welcome.